recognize the excuses are not valid. They're conjured up, they're fabricated, they're lies. And how do you stop the lies? You stop the lies with the truth. And the truth is, you have time. You have the skill, you have the knowledge and the support and the willpower and the discipline to get it done.
The fruit of everything good in life begins with a challenge. Everything is uphill that's worthwhile. And it's not going to come to you, and it's not going to fall in your lap, and it's not going to be something that, oh my God, it just was so simple. It's always going to be difficult.
If you want it, you gotta go get it.
This is your chance. This is your shot. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your place. This is your opportunity.
This is my time. This is my moment. Tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Ain't no such thing as tomorrow. We only got today. It's your dream. If you wanted to have it, get your butt up and make it happen. If you wanted to have it, rise and grind. You still got work to do.
كالعادة نسيت أعمل نهاية للفيديو. هدول الفيديوهات طبعا اللي شفتوهم في كان كتير فيديوهات، بس ما حبيت أحط كتير مشان ما يطول الفيديو. طب ليش كل هالدراسة؟ شو عم تعمل؟ شو أبصير؟ شو صار؟ هشرح لكم إياه بالفيديو الجاي، بس لازم تعملوا شير وسبسكرايب. نشوفكم بالفيديو الجاي. بيس.